Hey there guys, I'm back again. And today, as you can see, we're going to unbox my favorite box ever, which is the Luxbox. Now, I know, this video is very, very late. Sorry, I've not been home. It's been sitting here for about a week. And today I have to film it this way. I don't have time to do my hair, to do my makeup, and to sit down in front of the lights. Because as you can see by the little specs that are going on here on camera, I'm losing light. So I need to film this box right now because tomorrow I leave home again, and unfortunately I don't have the time. Ain't nobody got time for that, okay? So we're gonna do it this way. I warned you guys this year that sometimes this is gonna happen where I don't have time, and we're gonna have to do videos this way. So let's open the box up. Oh, hold on. Let me just open everything up. We've got the big booklet. Oh, there we go. And I ripped the paper. There. Okay, that's a bit easier for me to grab. Okay, so this is the inside of the box. It's packed full, as you can see, but I'm gonna move it slightly over there because I need some space to display all of the items. There we go. Okay. So, what to start with? Let me just open up the booklet first and have it right in front of me. Oh, I see something in here. What's this? It says, there you go, $7.50. Oh, okay. On Luxbox.com. Okay, nice. So, we get $7.50 off of, I think, the Luxbox shop, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just read it for a minute. Oh, actually, no, I'm sorry. This is for a friend. So if you want to subscribe a friend of yours to this box, you get $7.50 off. Well, at least your friend, from what I can tell. Yeah, it's for my dearest friend. I'm already a fan, and I would like to give you $7.50 off of your first box. Yeah, okay. So this is for friends. So if anybody wants to, if I have friends over here online that are, I don't know, doubting getting this box or something, make sure to get a screenshot. Vriendin member 2020 is the code, and you can get yourself a box. Okay, now let's start unboxing. And I see something very, very big in here, and I'm actually really happy with this. And it is from Garnier. It's the micellar water with rose water. And I've seen this around for quite a while, and I actually really enjoy the fact that it's in here. I think, is this for sensitive skin, or is it for... Oh, it doesn't say. So I'm just going to assume that it's for all skin types. I think it is. But really happy with this. And now let's place this little fella over here. Let's see, in the booklet, it is a full size, and the worth is €6.99. Okay, moving on to something that this is like the freaking third time that we received this. I am so done with this. This is from Glove, and these are the reusable makeup remover pads. It's a 2-pack, and I know this saves cotton. I've tried it. I've tried the first one. I was really hyped up about it because I thought, oh wow, great, I don't have to buy cotton, better for the environment, blah, blah, blah. But unfortunately, it did not work out for me. So you guys will be seeing this in a giveaway along the way, but I'm not going to use this. So let's check out the booklet. It's a full size again, and the worth is €6.90. Okay, moving on to, what's this? This is Best Foot Forward. It's a foot butter with peppermint oil from Dirty Works. It's 100 milliliters, so it's actually quite, see, it's quite big. Wow, that's really cool. Let me just smell it because I want to see if it actually smells like peppermint or not. Wow, yeah, that actually smells like peppermint, and I actually quite like that for my feet because your footsies will smell really, really bad usually. So, yeah, let me put it that over there. It's a full size once again, and the worth is €5. Okay, I have a little thing over here from Garnier again. Wow, we got 2 items from Garnier. This is the Garnier Bio. Oh, it's actually a night cream. Wow, that's actually really, really good. And it's for every skin type, even the sensitive one. This is amazing. Why is this amazing? I actually have a night cream as we speak, and I do not like it, but I don't have another one. So that one can go away, and tonight I'm gonna try this one out. Wow. Really, really enjoying this, and really like the fact that it's the whole bio line. I'm really happy with that. I love it when firms kind of, there we go back to nature. So let's open it up. Wow, it is actually lavender. So freaking awesome. Okay, I'm really, really psyched about this one. This clearly has to be a full size, right? Yeah, it's a full size, and the worth is $14.99. So we're gonna move on to this, and see, that's me, hi, in my onesie. But this is a brush cleaning tool, and I actually had a lot of these, but my fat fingers will not fit into this thing, and I prefer to clean my brushes differently anyway. So I'm gonna leave it in this box because I think this box is so darn cute, and I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So this is the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and it's a brush cleaning tool, like I said, but like I said, I'm gonna give it away. So let's see, where in the booklet does it say? Oh, it's on the back. It's a full size, and the worth is €7.14. Oh, actually, I'm seeing something else from Dirty Works in this box, and it's the exfoliating. Are you kidding me? It's exfoliating gloves yet freaking again. Today, I actually unboxed the StyleTone box as well, because like I said, these boxes have been sitting here for quite a while. And I just filmed that one before this one. And we had exfoliating gloves. Like, they are right here. I can show you guys. See? I have proof. Like, this is crazy. But exfoliating gloves. And clearly, one of these, I think my mom wants, but the other one is going to go in the giveaway because I do not use these. Ugh, it sucks. So let me check in the booklet, because this is, exfoliating gloves are definitely more for your body than they are for your feet, since we did get, you know, foot balm. So let me just check the booklet if they put this as an extra item, or let's see. No, this is like an item on its own. So it's the Dirty Works exfoliating gloves. It's a full size, and it costs €2.50. Okay, we got a couple more items here in the box, and I see something that I already own. We received this in a different box. I think, don't hit me with a rock, but I think it was the, was it Look Fantastic or StyleTone last month? I don't know. But this is banana setting powder from Style London, and I love this stuff. I really do. It has a teeny tiny little like sheen in it, not, you know, nothing too bad or anything, but it's really good, and I really love it. I enjoy it. I use it pretty much every single day, so I'm glad it's in here because now I have a backup. And let's check out the booklet. It is a full size, and the worth is $17.95. Okay, moving on to something from Olay, and it's for your eyes, and I'm so stoked about this. So this is a deep hydrating gel for the exhausted skin. Really psyched about this. Let me get it out of the plastic, because I know my mom loves Olay, and I think you guys know that too, because every single time I get something, I give it to her. But this time, I'm going to keep it for myself, okay? Because my eyes do need hydration. My entire face needs it, and I'm very psyched about this. And it's freaking blue. Like, hi there. It's freaking blue, so hello. It's like my color. And as you can see, it's like, oh, sorry, bumped the camera. But as you can see, it's like a gel type thing, and I'm using the Clinique Eyes right now, the Moisture Surge for eyes, and I really enjoy that. So I cannot wait to try this little sucker out. Let's check out the booklet. It is a full size, and the worth is $24.99. Okay, we're almost at the end. We have two more items, and one of them is this, and this is from Oriza? I'm not really sure how to pronounce this. A dewy glow balm for skin, lips, and nail. What? Hold on, let me just read this for a minute. Beauty Dewy Glow Balm for skin, lips, and nails. Vitamin E and rice bran oil. Fragrance free, which is great if it's fragrance free. But I still am not really sure what this is. It is a full size. It says in the booklet it's a full size, and the worth is $13.50. Why did I say that so weird? I don't know. But I still have no idea what this is. I will have to check in the booklet just to see what the hell this is. It's a balm of sorts, but I don't know if it's like the Miracle Balm or whatever. I'm gonna have to check the booklet. Okay, last item in the box is a brush of some sorts. See? And the box is completely, there we go, empty. This is a brush of, let's get it out of the little seal, from Creative Cosmetics. Ooh, it's really, really soft and nice. I really do enjoy it. Let's check out the booklet. It says over here, Creative Cosmetics highlight brush. It's a full size and the worth is €11.95. Okay guys, I'm slowly getting tired. I've been almost yapping for about 15 minutes. I'm done. And as you guys can tell, we're losing light, so we need to shut this video off. We've got a lot of items here. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. And what am I going to use? Well, the gloves I'm not going to use, and the little pads here I'm not going to use. So these two I'm not going to use, but oh, right, and this thing. So 3 out of 10 items I'm not going to use. The rest clearly I'm going to use. I have to say I really enjoyed this box, especially just because of the eye cream and the night cream. I especially enjoy those two. And of course the Garnier, which I'm really happy with as well. Yeah, I would say this is a pretty cool box. Like, I'm really satisfied. I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I would love to know you guys. Let me know down below in the comment section, what do you guys think about this month's box? And I will see you guys in the next video, hopefully with my face back on. Bye!